Okay, so good morning everybody. Page number, which page number beta?
29.
30.
Ma'am, 29.
29 it was.
29. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now nobody was ready to throw him into the sea. Okay. They did not have so much
Yes,
of dareness. They did not have so much of guts. Neither. They were very hard-hearted, you know. They were very soft, kind-hearted, full of generosity and all. So nobody, neither Dr. Sadao nor Hannah, had this boldness to throw him again into the water. And the best thing was that they decided to take him into their house. Okay. But the servants, first line of page number 29.
No, ma'am, third
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph. Thus agreed.
Third one.
Thus agreed together.
Okay, the above para I have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. So now they were very much worried about the servants. As servants, why? Because servants they suspected might go and tell the police that they had sheltered a white man. And then Hannah says, then it would be a great trouble for us, trouble for the children. Okay, you are at such a position, it would danger all of us. She says, and if we did not give him to the army, okay, if we are not going to hand him over as a prisoner of war. So even Sadao he agrees and he would say that I wouldn't think of doing anything else. इसके अलावा मैं कुछ सोच भी नहीं सकता करने का. Now thus agreed, both of them agreed. Okay, what did they thought? कि once he is fine, okay, treatment was necessary, right? So once he's okay, once he's fine, once he recovers, then they will hand him over to the police. Thus agreed together, they lifted the man. He was very light, okay, very light-weighted, like a fowl. Fowl is a bird that had been half starved. Starved means
Hungry or not eating food.
yes, not eaten food for a long time, hungry, okay, for a long time until it is only feathers and skeleton. Clear? Means this prisoner of war was so light when they lifted him, it looked as if it was almost as the weight of a bird who did not get food from a long time, and it was mere skeleton of feathers. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. Finally, they carry him into the house. They carried the man towards an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sadao's father. Got it, beta? Whose bedroom was it? Sadao's father. Okay. Sadao's father's bedroom it was, and since his death, it had not been used. समझ में आया? और जब से death हुई है father की, तब से the bedroom it has not been used. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Okay, you have seen the Chinese and the Japanese, you know, they have got a thick matting on the floor. Thick matting, you got it? बहुत बहुत मोटी सी मैट बिछी होती है ना, जिसको हम चटाई वगैरह कहते हैं, ऐसी अच्छी सी मैचिंग होती है उनके फ्लोर पे. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man, okay, and the room, you know, it was absolutely in the Japanese style. Why? Because as we have known earlier that Sadao's father, he was a true Japanese, okay. He did not like anything foreign. Who would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed? Got it? How do Japanese sit, beta? How do Japanese sit? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So my few students and that also silent, absolutely silent. इतने कम बच्चे हैं तो भी हम इतने चुप हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल. How do Japanese sit?
Their legs are folds.
They, but this,
from the
yes, and they don't use chairs ना. जो real Japanese जो घर होते हैं ना, true Japanese जो होते हैं ना, they don't use chairs and all. Nowadays it is being used, but earlier they did not use it. You know, mostly they sit on the floor. Okay, floor पे बैठते हैं, and they have got a table. You know, not at a very height. The table is not at a very height. एक square table होती है जिसके चारों तरफ बैठ के they have the tea, they have the lunch, the eatables, whatever it is. Okay, and ये सब चीजें वैसे भी chair और ये bed वगैरह क्या है ये? It is all Western, isn't it?
Foreign.
तो हम भी we sleep on the bed, we sit on the chair. Is it our culture? Is it our tradition? We
No,
take
ma'am.
sitting on the dining table. No, हमारा क्या है? To sit on the floor, to sleep on the floor. हमने देखा है ना पुराने कितने सारे mythological जो serials हैं, we have seen or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? हाँ, तो इसी तरह जो थे बेटा सदाओ के father, even he did not like anything foreign. Okay, he पूरा उनका जो room था, it was absolutely like a true Japanese, and he did not have any chair or bed in his room. Why? Because he never liked it. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Hannah went to the wall cupboards and slid back a door and took out a soft quilt. You know, Hannah, she opened the cupboard and she took out a soft quilt. What is quilt?
Rajai.
Rajai, very good. Okay. It is a kind of a warm blanket, na, all stuffed with cotton. है ना, एक गरम blanket की तरह ही होती है ना, लेकिन उसके अंदर क्या stuffed होता है? Filled with cotton. Okay, वही रजाई हुई. तो वो रजाई निकालती soft एकदम. She hesitated. Now she took out, but she hesitated to take it out. The quilt was covered with flat silk and the lining was pure white. Okay, it was a beautiful quilt. It was covered with, है ना, flat silk means the print. It was beautiful, and why? It was made of white silk cloth. He's so dirty, she murmured in distress. Now, she did not like the man to give him this quilt. Why? Because it would make him make the quilt dirty. Okay. Whenever any guest come to your house, do you give him your own quilt? You never
No, ma'am.
prefer to give. Okay. हाँ. और ये तो बहुत ज्यादा डर्टी था, बहुत ज्यादा इंजर्ड था, है ना, बहुत गंदा हो रहा था, because he had been washed away by the ocean. He was lying on the sand. The sand had stuck on his body. तो एकदम थोड़ा सा परेशान होके, disappointed होके कहती है, he's so dirty, means he's so dirty that he's going to make the quilt also dirty. Yes, he had better be washed. Sadao agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. Of course, Sadao he agrees. Surely the man has to be washed, and he says to Hannah that if she's going to get water, hot water, Sadao will wash him, will clean him up. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he's here. I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Okay, now Hannah, she says that she cannot tolerate, she cannot bear that her husband, okay, would touch that injured man, that prisoner of war, that dirty man. And then he suggested that anyhow they have to tell the servants. Okay, so they are going to tell the servants that he was injured, and after curing him they would hand him over to the police and so on. And then she also suggests that she is going to tell Yumi. Who is Yumi? The caretaker, okay, nanny of the children. Okay, so Hannah says that she would tell Yumi, and Yumi would come and clean this prisoner of war. Sadao considered a moment. He thought for a while. Let it be so, he says. And you tell Yumi, I will tell the others. Okay? And he says, you just go and tell Yumi about this man, and I'm going to talk to other servants. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face, pallor is the pale color, extreme yellow color. Why? He had become pale. Lot of blood had uh, flown from his body. Okay, lot of blood, you know, it had flown from his body, so he had become very pale. So the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop means to bend and feel his pulse. Now when Dr. Sadav saw this man was very pale, you know, though he was unconscious, but he was very pale, he looked very, very weak. So first he bent, who Dr. Sadav, he bends, and he just tried to feel his pulse. It was faint, okay, the pulse. Pulse, you know where is the pulse? Got it? On the wrist.
Ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
was faint, though the pulse, you know, it was running faint, it was slow, but still it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. He also checked whether the heartbeat was there or not. The heart was yet alive. He will die unless he is operated on, Sadao said, considering the operation is whether he will not die anyway. Okay. So until and unless he is not operated, he won't survive. So the most necessary thing, Dr. Sadao thinks that he has to be operated, otherwise he would die. Hannah cried out in fear, don't try to save him. What if he should live? Okay. Now when Hannah, you know, he she sees the intention of her husband, that he's there to save him, he's interested in saving him, so she shouts that he doesn't need to save him, and it hardly matters if this man die, they would be free. Okay, they would be free from any kind of allegations, they would be free from the tensions. Why? They can tell the police, they can tell the servant that yes, we got it, and after we were about to give him first aid, or we brought him here to give him first aid so that he may be saved, and then uh, we have to, or we had to hand him to the police. Okay, so Hannah, you know, she says you don't need to save him, and it will hardly matter if he will die. What if he should die? Sadao replied, he stood gazing. Gazing means looking down on the motionless man. This man must have got extraordinary vitality, or he would have been dead by. Uski vitality, strength, you know. Okay, it was too much, energy was too much, right? Why? Because from where he had come, okay, it may be from a very long distance, he might have been in the water, tried to swim the sea, got it? He ran away, he got gunshot, okay, he was shot by the gun, badly injured, he escaped through the water, he might have swam, okay, for miles and miles, right? And then he was again pushed by the ocean, by the sea waves, got stuck, got hit by the rocks, and then he was lying unconscious. Means सदाव सोचता है कि बहुत बहुत extraordinary energy है, जब भी he faced so many dangers and still, you know, he's surviving. Or he would have been dead by now. यदि नहीं होती extraordinary vitality, तो surely he would have been dead. But then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. Okay, और फिर सोचता मे बी शायद इसलिए extraordinary vitality है, because young children, they have got lot and lot of strength and lot of energy, isn't it? The energy that you people possess, okay, the people of 40s and 50s, they don't possess, isn't it? जो 20s के जो एनर्जी पोजेस करते हैं वो 40s 50s वाले नहीं पोजेस करते हैं ना बेटा. So he was a very young, and that is why he had lot of energy, lot of strength. You mean die from the operation? Okay, now Sadao, he just had this intention that while operating, okay, he would be somewhat careless and this person, he would die. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, कोई हैंड ओवर करके इसको टॉर्चर्स नहीं मिलेंगे, वो भी किसी परेशानी में नहीं होंगे कि भाई हम इसको लाए थे हैंड ओवर करने के लिए, बट हमने सोचा गन निकालना है, डॉक्टर ने सोचा है ना जो बुलेट लगी हुई है वो निकालना है, so while operating he died. Okay? So Hannah confirmed करती, yes, Dr. Sadao, he sees. Now Hannah considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said. And first, he must be washed. Okay. Now Hannah started thinking about this, and then doctor he says that at any rate, kuch bhi ho jaye, something must be done with this man, and the first thing is he must be washed. He went quickly out of the room, and Hannah came behind him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. Okay, अब वो अंदर जाता है, हाना फटाफट आती है उसके पीछे, अपने हस्बैंड के पीछे, डॉक्टर सदाओ के पीछे. Why? Because she did not wish, okay, that she would be left alone with this white man. He was the first she had been seen since she left America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Okay, now see, even Hannah was in America. So after leaving America, they did not meet any American, right? And after so many years, he was the first white man that she had since, okay? And they don't have anything to do with those Americans also whom they had known there in America. So they did not have any kind of connection with the white people. Here he was the first one that they have seen after a long time. But here he was her enemy, a meanest living or dead. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. Okay, and then as decided, she calls Yumi. Now see what happens when Yumi comes. Was she ready to wash this man or not? See, but the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. Who was Yumi, beta? Yumi was the caretaker, right? I told you. Okay. Now they were in the nursery. What is nursery?
Ma'am, where infants are
Yes,
kept.
yes, where children are kept, where infants are kept, right? So Yumi, she was there in the nursery. Why? She was the caretaker of the children, nanny of the children. But when Hannah calls Yumi, what happens? The children, they heard the voice of Hannah, of their mother, and now this lady Hannah, she had to go inside. She had to pass a smile to the children, and she had to play with the baby boy who was nearly 3 months old. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth. Motioning is gestured. Yumi, come with me. I will put the baby to bed. Yumi replied, he's ready. Okay, when Hannah asked her to come, she says, first I'll just make this baby sleep. Why? Because he's ready, means he's about to sleep. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Okay, and then she also went into the bedroom. The bedroom was just attached, children's bedroom, it was just attached to the nursery. And Yumi, she spread the quilts. Okay, and meanwhile Hannah, she was holding the small baby into her arms. And then when the sleeping quilts were spread, Yumi, she laid the baby between them. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. The two servants were frightened at what the master had just told them. Then Hannah, she takes Yumi to the kitchen. But meanwhile, Dr. Sadao had already told the two servants. One was the cook, another was the gardener. But both of them were frightened now. Whatever they were being told by the master, Dr. Sadao, है ना, वो दोनों पहले से डर गए थे. क्यों? इसके यूमी के पहुंचने से पहले, क्योंकि डॉक्टर सदाव ने ऑलरेडी उन्हें बता दिया. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lips. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man, he said bluntly to Hannah. Okay. और वो हना को कहता है, see, gardener, he was an old servant, okay, very old. Since Sada, Sada was a small child, he had been serving there. And when the servant, they become old, they serve the families for a long time, okay? They become something like a family member, isn't it? Family member
Yes,
की
ma'am.
तरह हो जाते हैं, and they try to
Yes.
boss over the children, and they try to interfere in the family matters and so on, okay? तो वो अपने आप को फैमिली मेंबर समझते हैं, बड़े बॉस बन जाते हैं छोटे बच्चों के, और फैमिली का कोई भी मैटर होता है उसमें वो अपना इंटरप्शन करते हैं. तो सेम वॉज गार्डनर. तो गार्डनर हाना को कहता है कि मास्टर मीन्स डॉक्टर सदाव, he shouldn't cure, okay, this white man, he shouldn't cure the wounds. The white man ought to die, means he ought to die, he must die. Firstly, he was shot, she says. Then the sea caught him and wounded him with her rocks. कहते पहले तो shots था, मतलब उसको गोली लगी. And then the sea, it caught him, sea ने उसको पकड़ा, and again he was wounded, okay, with her rocks. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us, okay? Somewhat superstitious. कहते हैं फिर यदि मास्टर उसको ठीक कर देंगे तो जो गन और सी ने करा है ना, that will all be vain, and gun and sea, it will take revenge on us, okay? हमसे बदला लेंगे. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uneducated man, beta, servants, they are almost uneducated, तो superstitious भी ज्यादा ही होते हैं. तो उनको लगा कि सी और गन ने सही करा है by killing. They tried to kill this man. Why? Because it was the enemy. But in case if we are going to save him, if Dr. Sada will save him, then surely gun and sea, they will revenge on us. Okay, they will take revenge. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's time up, right? Monday we'll continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
ma'am.